Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate engagement tracking with LinkedIn Sales Navigator step by step clearly. Open LinkedIn Sales Navigator and sign in to your account. Navigate to the search bar at the top of the home page. Select either leads or accounts based on your preference for tracking engagement. Enter relevant keywords or criteria for your ideal leads or accounts. Refine your search filters to narrow down results by industry, location, company size, and other parameters. Once you have your desired list, go to the Lists feature located on the left sidebar. Create a new list by clicking on Create List. Name your list something relevant to track your engagement efficiently. Add your selected leads or accounts to this new list. Now, head to the Real-Time Insights tab within your list. Toggle on notifications to receive updates whenever your leads engage with content. Set specific keywords for notifications to ensure you're tracking the most relevant interactions. Consider integration with a CRM system, linking your LinkedIn Sales Navigator account. This allows for automated updates on engagement metrics directly within your CRM. Regularly check your notifications to stay informed of any interactions promptly. Utilize LinkedIn's tagging feature to categorize leads based on their engagement level or relationship status. Review engagement analytics provided by LinkedIn Sales Navigator regularly. Adjust your strategies based on the insights you gather about your leads' interactions. Stay consistent with tracking and adjust your engagement approach as necessary. With these steps, your engagement tracking will be automated and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.